Now this name that's on this property right here is a different last name. I mean, it's a.
I'm gonna tell you something. Well, if you could get over there and get set up on, you could call him too. Especially with a big boy. See, look. So. He is fired up.
Oh, they're way down there. They just gobbled.
They go way down in that hole.
Mm-hmm. What sound like? I just heard it real faint. Which I think they could just be barely down in there and facing down in it.
Right.
And it'd be faint like that.
Rex, you need to watch that fence row. They may come down in.
Oh, yeah. In the field.
Mm-hmm. I think they're right here at this point.
Yeah. I think it's okay. Don't be looking around. Look for you. Okay.
Huh?
Just find this spot. Stare down at it. Okay.
They're coming.
They're coming. They're closer.
There they are. Don't move. Do not move.
Have you seen those? Don't move.
They're in the field.
Are they?
Strutting. Here they come.
Be still, okay?
Don't move.
Do not move, Daisy, okay?
Here it comes. Don't move. Don't move.
Okay, don't move.
He's driving the field. Don't move. They're coming to your left. Hard left.
Oh, I see them.
There's another one.
Yep, I see them. They're going in the woods behind us.
This one's coming. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. Here they come. Don't move.
forklift going in the woods behind you. Behind you.
Yeah, I see him.
They're in the woods behind you.
Yep, I see him.
Don't move.
Did you hear him spitting?
Oh yeah. That was awesome. You get to kill one of these days, you will mount one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Bigger than mine, yes. I don't know about spurs, but
Don't move.
don't move. Be real still, okay? Still right here, spitting and drumming. Go ahead and get your gun up, Daisy, okay?
I'm at the side. I'm right on the side.
Lay down. They've seen us or something.
Where'd they go?
They crossed the fence and walked away from us. Can you still see him? I don't see it. Oh, I see it. That's too far.
Can you see him?
I can, yeah.
Can you see him?
They're coming back, yeah. You need to bring the gun up to you. Right there. Oh, you want to just well, let it rest for a minute. They're going away.
They're coming.
I don't know, I can't see them. Yeah, they're strutting. Right there, Daisy. Shoot it, shoot it, shoot it, shoot it, Daisy. Shoot, shoot, shoot.
Shoot it.
Shoot it. You got it, girl. You dropped it. It's still, there's another. I can't either.
Me either.
Come right in behind.
I didn't even see it.
You didn't?
I didn't see it.
Good job.
I was like, I never seen this dude.
I saw leaves moving.
I seen the leaves moving too, but
I told you he'd come
I
back.
seen the leaves moving too, but I didn't know.
Yeah.
Oh, he fell straight down, son. Get your gun, buddy. Take that up. Right there he is. Yes, dude.
Either one of them you killed there. That's a good one. Oh, there he is.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah. Huh?
No, I'm not.
Really?
If we would have sat there, he'd come back.
He'd come back.
He was right here.
Yeah. Yeah. He'd come back.
Make sure he's good enough for
And
you.
if I'd have had my gun up, we mean Daisy could have doubled out there.
Lord. Hey. Good job, guys.
Yes. Come on, Daisy, go ahead.
Hold it for you. Good job. Good bird. A big bird. Hey, that needs mound. You know,
Easy, I don't want to mess your feathers up.
Did you say don't mess your feathers up?
Yeah, I don't want to mess your feathers up.
Where'd I shoot it at?
In the head, honey.
I know
hey,
that, but
you done awesome. Good job.
that was really
Exciting.
that's his boy down.
Now, how do you feel better now?
Oh, didn't know that was
Easy, girl. Easy. Sit down. This picture's good now.
My goodness. I cannot believe how big that bird is.
Big old head on him, dude.
You have got an awesome turkey. Beautiful.
Yep.
What do you think, Daisy?
What do you think? Sit down here, Danny. What do you think? Huh?
exciting.
Exciting. You know it. It was awesome.
Good hunt.
Yes, it was.
Hard hunt.
Absolutely.
Good bird right there.
Absolutely.
Awesome bird.
Good, baby. She got a
10-inch beard.
yeah.
9.5, 10.
Yeah.
Good bird.
Absolutely.
He's heavy.
Yeah, he is.
You got 1.25 spurs, I'd say.
Yeah.
1.8, 1.25.
Yeah.
What do you
I'd say
think?
So. Inch and eighth, probably.
Gosh, he's heavy though.
Yeah, he is.
Daisy, you've killed a whopper.
whopper for your first bird. That's awesome.
What do you think about it?
Love it. Nothing like chasing these birds, buddy, I'm telling you.
First bird, and she killed a whopper.
Yeah.
Let me tell you.
They broke off from them hens.
Yep.
And the hens went back to nest is what they've done. When we first seen these birds, they had at least one, maybe two hens with them.
My gosh.
And we circled up around and got up above them here, and we called them in, but they come. We're right here at the corner of 3 different properties, and we got permission, obviously, where we're standing at to hunt at. The bird come up through the field behind us there, which Jake got it on camera. 2 of them come up and they stayed in the field where we can't shoot at, and then crossed over into the property behind us here we can't shoot at. So we let them get out of sight, had Daisy turn around, and at that point started calling. They crossed the fence on the property that we've got here, and they went away from us. There went another turkey somewhere. So we got to calling to them, and they got back to gobbling again, and come right in silent. I mean, just eased over the hill. Just happened to look up, and right there was 2 big old red heads. So
They couldn't handle that fat baby custom call.
they couldn't. They couldn't resist it. They had to come back and take a look at it and see what was making that sweet, sweet note. Awesome.
Awesome hunt. Awesome first bird.
First bird.
That is awesome.
Jackson's gonna be mad. Awesome. Good deal. Appreciate y'all watching.